2020 is slowly winding down. Meanwhile, Apple stock inches quietly towards all-time highs. On Monday, Bloomberg reported that Apple could introduce its new lineup of ARM-based chips, the successor of the M1, as early as the spring. This is good news for Apple investors and likely best explains why the stock traded higher than the broad market throughout Monday's session. For the new year, it's likely that the company will launch two redesigned MacBook Pros, possibly equipped with new LED screens and touchscreen capability. The success of these new products should be important for the performance of the company and the stock in 2021. This is the case because comps will be very hard to overcome. Investors will likely be relieved to see momentum carry forward into next year rather than a fall off in revenues. One other piece of news released over the weekend flew under the radar. JP Morgan analyst reported that demand for the higher-end iPhone 12 has been strongest in the holiday shopping season. The lead time for the iPhone 12 Pro is now about 27 days, whereas lead times for the less expensive iPhone mini and iPhone 12 are tracking lower than they did last week. Should this be a demand-side story, the low levels of inventory mean that Apple's iPhone sales in the fiscal first quarter could be skewed towards the higher end of the spectrum. If this is the case, expect average selling prices to be higher, which is good news for revenues and margins.